Stop. She's just sucking on it. She can't bite it off. She's like sucking in her thumb and sucking on it.
Stand it. This funny. That's hilarious. Her blow mouth. Look at her fingers. Oh man, it's on my fingers.
Stop messing with her.
You don't want to get
Look, Soph.
stuff all over.
Look. Sophie, you're the funniest little thing ever. Oh no! Your bunnies fell. Look, Soph, the bunnies.
She's got so much sugar on her fingers, doesn't care. Gosh. Thank you, Grandmother Marie. Man, that's good.
She's got her whole hand in her mouth. Look, Booger, here's a new one. Woo! You never gonna go to sleep.
That's what I'm thinking.
I know, Booger. This is the only time you can ever have candy again.
Except for when she wants some ice cream and some chocolate.
No, she can't.
That's probably about enough. Pretty soon.
Hey, no.
Here.
I'm sticking on its ears.
I was about to get too much in there.
Okay, so that's it. That's it, so. Have it, baby. Oh. Okay. Here. Here. Like, really?
I thought you let her lick it off her fingers for a while. Oh, she's the one I think will go. You need to get your bath anyways.
Yeah, Booger.